at Buenaldoyo, Kailian. We're currently here at the second floor of Pure Gold Laoag as we'll be introducing a new project called Globe EasyHub. So today I'll be hosting this opening at syempre rin sa lahat ng ating mga Kailians. If ever you'll be performing GCash transactions or other Globe-related activities, and at the same time, if you need online support, pwede na tayo pumunta dito. So that is why visit Pure Gold Laoag currently at the second floor at para naman ma-experience natin ang Globe EasyHub.
Alright, naibag mabigat. Good morning, Auto Globe! At the same time, simulan naman natin ang araw ko ng isang masigabong palakpakan! Magandang araw, everybody! Of course, for this grand occasion, we will not just be introducing the project, but at the same time, ipapakita rin natin sa buong Pilipinas at buong mundo that we deserve the most convenient ways, and especially in making things easier and at the same time safer. I am Ancher Cua, and I'm your host for today's introduction or opening of our big project, especially dito po sa Globe. We're here at the second floor of Pure Gold Laoag. Everybody, you're all joining for this project, and at the same time to make it even more bigger, and especially in the Philippines retail store industry today. Ito po yung mga naglalangin natin, mga projects at the same time initiatives, especially in the onslaught of the pandemic. So right now, everybody, since the onslaught of the COVID-19 pandemic, it has been Globe's mission to ensure, and at the same time, that you will get to avail some gadgets, and at the same time, that bills, syempre sa mga bigyan kakalians kayo na mapatan, kadagin pagbayadan, at kuryente, danom, amin-aminan ako ayak, and detoy, katatoy, Globe EasyHub that time. So of course, aside from that, you can also book your GCash transactions dito po sa Globe EasyHub, and that is why in order for you to book your online support as well. So if you need help, if you're having concerns with all the bills, and at the same time, you need customer support, pwede na rin po yan dito. And everybody while instituting comprehensive measures and to keep you safe, Globe is always committed to this goal and continue to work hard to implement new solutions. And that is why, with a big round of applause, once again, everybody, we introduce Globe EasyHub! Alright, so this is a new and innovative store experience that will cater to all your digital needs, just like what I said a while back. And we would like to invite everyone, ano yung makailan ito, kung may nangyaro pag-asin, dito na proyekto ito at the Globe. So you experience, and at the same time, you explore the first in the Philippines digital retail store industry or store today. At yan naman, ito nga naman sa Globe, atin ang Easy Ways. And everybody joining us today with your great presence would like to welcome for her short message, a special message from our dearest Honorable Vice Governor, Cecilia Araneta-Marcos. Maraming salamat, and once again, ang biyahe the Vice Governor of the Province of Ilocos Norte, Honorable Cecilia Araneta-Marcos. And indeed, this is the future, ladies and gentlemen, and as we open one of the most innovative projects of Globe, once again, we would like to invite our dear Honorable Vice Governor, of course, to start off with our official ribbon cutting. Also to join our Vice Gov, we have the North Luzon Cluster Trade Marketing Head. Ayan, syempre, we have, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin, Ma'am Zeaneth, Hoderial, and everybody, the retail area head. Also, we have Sir Eryx, Arcede. Alright, before we cut the ribbon, everybody, let's all count up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Once again, everybody, welcome to Globe EasyHub here in Laoag City. Maraming salamat once again to our retail area head, Sir Eryx, Arcede, and as well as to our North Luzon Cluster Trade Marketing Head, photos with your family or friends, or after you've already performed your transaction. At syempre, gamitin din ang hashtag Alagang Globe, hashtag GlobeEasyHub. Okay, at syempre naman gawin natin localize. How about saying hashtag GlobeEasyHub Laoag? Nice one! So everybody, to all our viewers, and especially sa mga kasama po natin dito sa Pure Gold, hindi kailangan kita sa natin Pure Gold, you are all welcome to try and explore our Gold EasyHub. No at dapat nagiging bills yung ako nga masapol yung nabayadan. No at dapat nagiging kayat yung ikang dapat yung obra and na GCash transactions, mabalin din tumiyan ako. Well, to give you, of course, a very exciting thing, okay, we would like to remind everyone as we all welcome the first 100. Syempre, speaking of Easy Ways, as a Globe atin ang Easy Ways, Globe will give a free gift box to the first 100 customers with minimum 500 peso transaction. So if ever you'll be performing GCash transactions, especially when it comes to payment of bills, magsisend po kayo ng money course or other transactions, that will be of course at the minimum amount of 500 pesos. Meron po kayo ma-receive na gift from Globe. That is a token for those who will be coming here and explore our Globe EasyHub. First 100 customers po tayo, everybody, ha? Kaya naman, hindi na kayo, may kayo na po. Dapat dasin kayo marami pa na sa Globe EasyHub. Well, aside from that, everybody, well, you can actually cash in, pay your bills, or buy stuff from Globe. Mabalin yung obrahin nyo yung amin na ako. Well, everybody, mga Globe, please stand by for your packs. And at the same time, yan sa mga bisita po natin, makikita ka gano'n din. Kung matagod-takot at rin, wala sa ito mapapalimapan ang grocery, mapapagpay ako bisita ka din masapagatan. Dito ay na stores, why not, of course, experience Globe EasyHub as early as then, especially on its first day. At lalo na po sa ating first 100 customers, ako at ano kamaawang nyo na regalo. So everybody, there you go! So together with the Globe team, we are currently checking some of the features. So pagkasama po natin yung family and friends, this is again a perfect time po para gawin natin ito. Diba? Sakto. Alright, there you go. Ayan. So mga ka-Globe, kindly stand by for your food packs and refreshments to be distributed by our ambassadors. And once again, palakpakan naman po natin. Dumaan sa mga province of Ilocos Norte. Maraming salamat po, Honorable Cecilia Araneta-Marcos. At sa lahat ng mga bisita natin, especially po sa Globe, maraming salamat. Just keep on exploring po ang ating Globe EasyHub. And do not forget, para po sa ating first 100 customers, please claim your gift, okay? Please claim your gift. Yan po tayo kamahat ng Globe. At tuloy nga naman ito, atin ang Easy Ways. And everybody, this has been Ancher Cua. Do not forget that whenever you have to take some photos here, gamitin po natin ang hashtags, hashtag Alagang Globe, hashtag GlobeEasyHub, hashtag GlobeEasyHub Laoag. Maraming salamat!